cut. This mirror is kind of thin, so I'm going to take 3 giant craft sticks and glue them to the back just for extra support. And that's a perfect fit. Okay, these craft sticks are 10 inches long. I just need to nip off the tip and repeat that for the next 2. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue my mirror down to the foam board. I'm going to use a combination of the Gorilla Glue and hot glue. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. Remove the netting and sand it down so that my paint will adhere. I have my bamboo marked where I need to cut. This for the second piece of bamboo as well. I didn't like the way the silver turned out with the glitter, so I removed it and switched to a gold spray paint by Rust-Oleum. Tumbling tower blocks that I want to use as the feet for the tray, and I'm going to paint them with this Nicole metallic gold acrylic paint. And to trim out the sides of the tray, I'm going to use gold diamond wrap. Okay, now I've added my side trim. I want to add my blocks now to the bottom. Finally, I want to arrange my bamboo pieces and then secure them down with Gorilla Glue and hot glue.